Hello everyone and welcome to Stack. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to delete all those annoying promotional emails in Gmail at once. If your inbox is cluttered with thousands of ads and newsletters, this is the fastest way to clear them out. This process is straightforward, so let's jump right into it. So to get started, you'll want to go ahead and open up your Gmail account in your web browser. Now, by default, Gmail actually organizes your emails into different tabs, so we need to make sure we are looking at the right one. If you look at the top of your email list, right under the search bar, you should see 3 tabs: Primary, Promotions, and Social. Go ahead and click on the Promotions tab. This is where all those marketing emails, newsletters, and sales alerts usually live, separate from your important personal mail. Now, here's the trick that trips a lot of people up. If you just want to delete everything, you might be tempted to just click the checkbox at the very top, but that doesn't actually grab everything by default. Go ahead and click that little empty square checkbox located at the top left of the list, right above your first email. You'll see that it highlights all the emails currently on your screen, usually about 50 of them. But if you have thousands of emails, we don't want to do this page by page. Look closely right above the list of emails. A message will appear that says something like, "All 50 conversations on this page are selected." Right next to that, there's a blue link that says, "Select all conversations in Promotions," or however many you have. You absolutely need to click that blue link. That is the secret to grabbing every single email in the folder at once. Once you've clicked that link and everything is selected, we are ready to wipe them out. Go ahead and click on the trash icon in the toolbar at the top. Because you're deleting so many emails at once, Gmail might pop up a confirmation box just to be sure. Go ahead and click OK to confirm. It might take a few seconds to process, but once it's done, your Promotions tab will be completely empty. One last quick tip. Those emails are now sitting in your trash folder, taking up space. If you want to free up that storage immediately, you can head over to the trash folder in the left sidebar and click Empty Trash Now to permanently get rid of them. And that's it. You have successfully cleared out all your promotional emails and reclaimed your inbox. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and take care.